Hello guys, so this is Anjanappa. So I come up with a new tech video. So this video is about to build a website using most the available tools from a tools or app actually. So this complete website, you can see this complete website I have built using the reptile, okay, with the help of reptile. So I'm not used any credits actually, so it is a free of cost when you register the first time. So this is complete football live website which is built by me, okay. So with the help of a reptile, okay guys, okay. So reptile has given some of a credit for the first time builder, okay, when you register into this one. So you can see that this football program supports with the and under 6 to 10 two session per week, okay. So this is known as a grassroots foundation, okay. So and there is another allied programs actually, so that those are junior development, this one under 11 to under 14. So this takes, they will take the few people, they will take the 3 session per week, okay. So and another is the under 15 to 19 age group actually, so they will take the basically from 4 session per week, okay. So you see these guys, these are like so far they come across 350s player trained and 12 coaches, elite coaches, and 4 plus training programs and 8 plus year experience, okay. So they started actually on the 2018 onwards actually. This is you can see that this coach, okay, so still is training for the kids actually. So this is how it is started. And like you see a large team photo of training like a 2003, okay. So this is also another one is when the few people, few kids started from the legendary and participated, and even the player of the match also got award, okay. So this is how it look like guys actually. So this is a live website, okay. So without paying any amount, so I have built the complete live website and ready to use website, and it is deployed also guys actually. See here, wow. So some of testimonials which is provided by from the from of the already the parents who has provided for these guys, okay. So the tactical understanding of my son has gained here is unparalleled. It is not just playing the football, it is about thinking a game about a professional level, okay. So these are the testimonial provided by them guys. So you can see this is how it look like guys. So if you want to book a let's say I want to trial book, okay. So there are two options. One is book a trial. Let's say I want to book a trial for my one of son. So click it. So just type the like parent guardian name and the player name and what is his. So let's say I'm giving, okay. So this is what I'm going to give. So we can see this one. Okay. I provided looking for a, so looking for a looking for a football program for my son. Okay. So when you send the trial book classes, okay. So this application will go to the respective legendary team actually, and they will call you back and when to come. Okay. So this, see this guys. Yeah, it has submitted. Okay, it is working fine. So yeah, let's go to like what are the programs available. So there is guys actually these are the programs is provided. These are the allied programs which is supported by the legendary sports. This complete website is built, and this is under 60 as 6 to 10, okay. So and also the apply for assessment, if you want to look for the assessment also they will provide it, okay. So this complete everything is live, okay. You can see this is elite program for the under 15 to 19 program, okay. So there is another one senior pro academy. So this is also looks fine. So there is a in the contact. Okay, you can see the contact page. You can, if you have any questions further to them, reach out. You can use this. Okay, so Rose Garden, and there is a, even you can email them, and WhatsApp also. Okay, so WhatsApp also, that will go into, yeah, you can, it will open actually. Yeah, so see here, it is okay. You can send it actually. Yeah, guys. See, yeah. So this is how it look like. So see, guys, everything is working. Okay. So this is live from okay. So you can use this one. So if you want to contact, let's say I'm going to contact us. So it is going to contact, open, continue with this one. So yeah, it is going to send it, guys. Okay, so fine. Anyway, so let's don't want to waste time. So let's deep into other things. Okay, let's say I want to send a message to the okay. So I'm going to send a message. Okay, how can I help? So I'm going to send a message as, so my son is not well. If you want to send it, my son unwell. Okay, so this we do weekend weekend class fit. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys, see here, you can send a message. Okay, so it will sending, so that time, so they will know that, okay, what is on. Okay, so this is there in the right now on the nearby Kormangla, so you can visit it, guys. Completely working live website. So how we have to do building, right? So I mentioned that so I have built using Reptile. So first you need to sign up into the, go to the Reptile and sign up with your credit. Okay, with your first email address. So they will give you first free of cost for the some of credits to build this one. So to, before landing into the Reptile, you need to come up with a master prompt by doing little bit research on the what to build it actually. I did a research and refined my prompt from the, with the help of a chat GPT. So initially it has given basic prompting. Then I optimize the prompts so that like I'll get a desired result. So you need to do, if you want to get a desired result, you should go with refining your prompts. Okay, so whatever the like entire code generation or logic generation depends on the prompt only. Okay, if anything wrong in the prompt, I think like a, yeah, because it is a it can generate a wrong in output as well. So for that purpose, so I refined completely, and multiple times I refined my prompt, and then I use this prompt actually to build this website actually. Yeah, guys. So you need to do research on the ChatGPT prompt. Okay, prompting, either you can use the Gemini or even this prompt ChatGPT. So then go to the, you need to log into the Reptile agent. That is as of now it is a free for the initial the days. So you can build one or two website, guys. Okay, so I can show the hack also. So later. So not at the moment. So go to the Reptile agent. You sign up with your email account. Then there will be a free credit. Okay, so just need to use the free credit and build the website. So I used here, I built our complete website with the help of a chat gpt provided prompt only. Okay, so you can see this is live and working website without any defect actually. See here, so everything is working, guys. Okay, apply the contact. Okay, so you can see that even WhatsApp also, they can call also. So book a trail also. Okay, so everything is working, guys. Okay, guys, so this is simple steps to build a website using Reptile. Okay, Reptile is a inbuilt in capability of creating database. Everything is there. Okay, even it supports the GitHub support as well. Okay, so thank you, guys. Stay tuned till end of our video. Okay. So and please subscribe to my channel as well. It will give motivation for me, guys. Okay. Thank you so much in advance, guys.